Welcome to the Worker Portal Registration Guide. Click the Worker Portal User Invite link. This opens the Worker Portal login page. Enter your email and set your password and confirm it. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, and complete the reCAPTCHA prompt. Check your details and save if correct.
It's here that you need to open your Authenticator app. For first-time users, scan the QR code and set up your account. A code will be generated each time you access the Authenticator app. This 6-digit code needs to be entered into the multi-factor authenticator.
You're now logged in and can review or update your details. To make any changes to your details, select your name at the top. It could be a different email address or a change of postal address. Make sure you press Save after updating anything. It's important to note that any service you have accrued before the scheme started has not been uploaded yet. This will happen once your employer shares your service with us early next year. Only your portable long service leave will show up after the first return is submitted. All the forms you need can be found under Forms in the drop-down. While we wait for your pre-scheme entitlements to be provided to us, there is a manual process to apply for long service leave in these early stages. Go to our website and find the long service leave form under the Resources button and the Forms tab. This form needs to be completed by the worker and the employer and emailed to claims@saplsl-community.org.au. Fields with a red asterisk need to be completed, including worker details and employer entries. Provide any additional information in the comments field. You can keep track of any messages or send any messages in the correspondence drop-down. If you get stuck at any time, please reach out to us. You can email us or call us on 0884742400. We are here to help you.